Shout out to all our subscribers. You all are the beacon that guides our channel. Welcome back, guys, to the Made channel. This is a special video requested by some medical scientists for the AMT/ASCLS certification exam. Ever wonder why knowing laws and regulations is crucial in a laboratory setting? Well, let's delve into that. Just as a sailor needs a compass to navigate the seas, a scientist also needs laws and regulations to guide their work in laboratories. These laws and regulations encompass various aspects of safety, quality assurance, and patient privacy. 3 key regulations that are relevant to medical laboratories include OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration, CLIA, Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, and HIPPA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. These laws are not just pieces of legislation, but a compass that ensures our journey through scientific discovery is safe and accurate and respects the privacy of all involved. First on the list is OSHA, Occupational Safety and Health Administration. OSHA is a federal agency that sets and enforces safety and health standards in the workplace, including medical laboratories. Laboratories must comply with OSHA's standards to ensure the safety and well-being of laboratory personnel. This includes guidelines for handling hazardous chemicals, maintaining equipment safety, and providing appropriate training. In the context of AMT/ASCLS certification, individuals seeking certification as medical laboratory scientists must be familiar with OSHA regulations to ensure compliance with safety protocols in the laboratory setting. Imagine if no one wore protective clothing or hazardous substances were improperly stored. The results could be disastrous. Laws and regulations like those from the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, or OSHA, are in place to prevent such scenarios. They ensure that everyone in the lab can work without fear of accidents or health hazards. Secondly, consider accuracy. In a world where precision is paramount, there's no room for error because people's lives are at stake. CLIA, Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, takes charge of this area. CLIA is a federal regulatory framework that establishes quality standards for all laboratory testing to ensure patient test results' accuracy, reliability, and timeliness. Laboratories performing tests on human specimens for diagnosis, prevention, or treatment must comply with CLIA regulations. AMT/ASCLS certification candidates need to know CLIA requirements, including proficiency testing, quality control, and personnel qualifications, as these standards are essential for ensuring the accuracy and reliability of laboratory results. Laws and regulations provide a framework for rigorous testing and validation, ensuring the reliability of results. They guide us in adequately collecting, handling, and analyzing samples, reducing the risk of contamination or inaccurate results. This is the realm of guidelines like the Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, or CLIA, which ensure the same standard of operation in all diagnostic laboratories for accuracy of laboratory testing. Last but not least is patient privacy. HIPPA, Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act. HIPAA is a federal law that protects the privacy and security of individually identifiable health information. Laboratories are considered covered entities under HIPAA if they conduct certain electronic transactions. Compliance involves safeguarding patient information, ensuring the confidentiality of medical records, and providing necessary training for personnel. Individuals pursuing AMT/ASCLS certification as medical laboratory scientists must understand HIPAA regulations to protect patient privacy and maintain the confidentiality of patient information. In an era where data is king, protecting personal information has never been more critical. Laws like the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, or HIPAA, protect patients' health information privacy. In a laboratory setting, this means ensuring that personal data is securely stored and only accessible to those who it. In essence, these laws and regulations act as a guiding star in the vast universe of scientific exploration. They ensure that we stay on course, avoiding potential pitfalls and hazards along the way. Understanding these laws is a professional obligation and a key to efficient and ethical operations. First on our list is the Occupational Safety and Health Administration, better known as OSHA. OSHA was established in the early 70s with a mission to ensure safe and healthy working conditions for working men and women. This was accomplished by setting and enforcing standards and providing training, outreach, education, and assistance. One of the cornerstones of OSHA is the General Duty Clause. It's a broad mandate stating that each employer shall furnish to each of his employees a place of employment free from recognized hazards causing or likely to cause death or serious physical harm. In simpler terms, it's the employer's responsibility to maintain a safe work environment. In the context of laboratories, OSHA has set forth a number of standards to protect workers from the unique hazards they face. For instance, OSHA's Hazard Communication Standard is particularly relevant. It requires the classification of potential hazards of chemicals and communicating information about these hazards and appropriate protective measures to employees. This might be through labels on containers, safety data sheets, or training programs. Another key standard is the Personal Protective Equipment or PPE standard. This requires employers to provide their employees with protective gear needed to keep them safe while performing their jobs. For laboratory workers, this could include gloves, lab coats, goggles, or respiratory protection, depending on the specific hazards present in the lab. OSHA also regulates the handling of specific substances frequently encountered in laboratories, such as bloodborne pathogens and radioactive materials. These standards require specific practices for handling and disposing of such substances, as well as training for employees who work with them. In short, OSHA plays a crucial role in ensuring that laboratories are safe places to work. It sets standards, provides resources, and enforces compliance to protect the health and safety of laboratory workers. OSHA ensures that laboratories are safe workspaces that prioritize the well-being of their employees. Next, let's dive into the Clinical Laboratory Improvement Amendments, or CLIA. This set of federal standards is designed to ensure the accuracy, reliability, and timeliness of patient test results, regardless of where the tests are performed. It's a cornerstone in the field of laboratory testing. The purpose of CLIA goes beyond just setting the rules. It's about ensuring quality in laboratory testing, which is critical for the diagnosis, prevention, and treatment of diseases. It's about making sure that every time a sample is tested in a laboratory, the results are consistent, accurate, and reliable. That's the level of assurance that CLIA provides. Now, not all laboratories are created equal. In order to conduct human testing, a laboratory must be certified by CLIA. This certification process is rigorous and thorough. It involves an initial inspection followed by biennial inspections to ensure continued compliance. Laboratories are evaluated on their quality control, quality assurance, patient test management, and overall operational standards. The process might sound overwhelming, but it's designed to ensure that only the most competent laboratories are entrusted with human testing. It's a way of safeguarding public health and ensuring that medical decisions are based on reliable data. And the importance of CLIA can't be overstated. Every day, millions of people around the world rely on laboratory results for the diagnosis and management of their health conditions. These results influence a wide range of medical decisions, from the prescription of medications to the need for surgery. Inaccurate results can lead to misdiagnosis, improper treatment, and even life-threatening situations. That's where CLIA comes in. By maintaining high standards of accuracy and reliability, CLIA ensures that laboratories are doing their part in providing quality health care. It's not just about following rules, it's about saving lives and improving patient care. With CLIA, laboratories are held to high standards of accuracy and reliability, ensuring the validity of test results. Lastly, we explore the Health Insurance Portability and Accountability Act, commonly known as HIPAA. The act, passed by Congress in 1996, is a cornerstone of health information privacy in the United States. Its primary aim is to protect the confidentiality and security of healthcare information. HIPAA ensures that individuals' health information is properly protected while allowing the flow of health information needed to provide high-quality healthcare. It strikes a balance that permits important uses of information while protecting the privacy of people who seek care and healing. So, what does HIPAA mean for laboratories? Well, laboratories, like other healthcare providers, are considered covered entities under HIPAA. This means they are subject to HIPAA's privacy rule, which sets standards for when protected health information can be shared. Under the privacy rule, laboratories must implement safeguards to protect patient information. They must limit who can access this information, and they must have procedures in place to limit how and when this information is shared. For instance, a laboratory could share information with a patient's doctor for treatment purposes, but would need the patient's authorization to share that information for other purposes. Additionally, HIPAA's security rule requires laboratories to implement administrative, physical, and technical safeguards to ensure the confidentiality, integrity, and security of electronic protected health information. This might include measures like secure databases and encrypted communications. Non-compliance with HIPAA can result in significant penalties. These can range from fines to criminal charges, depending on the severity of the violation. The Office for Civil Rights, part of the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services, enforces HIPAA rules and can impose these penalties. HIPAA is more than just a set of rules. It's a commitment to patient privacy. It's about building and maintaining trust between patients and healthcare providers, including laboratories. It's about ensuring that when you go to the doctor or have lab work done, your personal health information remains just that, personal. HIPAA ensures that patient information remains private and secure, a critical aspect of trust in healthcare. Essentially, these laws and regulations form the backbone of our laboratory operations. They create a framework that balances safety, accuracy, and privacy, leading to an optimized, ethical, and efficient laboratory environment. Medical laboratory scientists must stay updated on any changes or updates to these laws and regulations to ensure ongoing compliance in their work environments. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.